Well, an interesting penultimate to the policy day, because we were coming off a day which was trending and ended at the day's high, which is yesterday. We didn't have that kind of a day today, but the Nifty 50 flat, as flat can be. Obviously for the Sensex the same. Nifty Bank about 1/4% higher because Nifty IT was not doing well today. Much unlike yesterday, Nifty IT kind of sulked in trade, about 1.25% lower. Mid caps and small caps, they had a really good start. The close wasn't the strongest, but index wide, about 0.75% higher for the mid cap index is not bad, and 0.5% for the small cap 250, not bad either. In fact, it was a day of 20%, and I'll get to that in a moment. First, let me get the heat map for the large caps, and you will see that banks and financials didn't have a bad day, from a Bajaj Finance to an Axis Bank to HDFC Life to SBI being the key mover today, 3.84%, and a lot of other smaller banks also did well. What didn't do well is IT, the top losers. Tech Mahindra, Infosys, there is TCS, there was also Wipro, about 0.8%. There was some weakness in Power Grid yet again. 2 days on a trot now, it's ending as the worst performer, so there's some weakness there. But IT didn't have a great day today, so that was the other problem. The thing to note though today, that at the broader end of the spectrum, there were a lot of stocks which were very, very active on a large volume. So I call them 20%ers as a day, because if you look at the Nifty 500 gainers, you will see that a lot of these had some stupendous moves. IOB 20%, EIH 20%, Trent about 19.48%, and some of these on results. Both Trent as well as EIH were on results. There was some strength, of course, for some other result boys as well. And in terms of weakness, you probably, so Yes Bank, UCO, Central Bank, etc. So banking space was very active. And mind you, just before we wrap up, the PSU banks were very active. So those have to be kept in mind. But all in all, not a bad pre-policy day. Let's see what Shaktikanta Das and the MPC have in store for us tomorrow.